Before algebra, before calculus, before machine learning, there were integers. If you want to build strong foundations in mathematics, you must understand integers deeply. Today, we are not memorizing rules, we are building intuition. Welcome. What are integers? Integers are whole numbers. They include positive numbers, negative numbers, and zero. They do not include fractions. They do not include decimals. Mathematically, we write z equals all numbers from negative infinity to positive infinity, including zero. The symbol z comes from German word Zahlen, meaning numbers. To understand integers visually, we use the number line. 0 is the center. To the right, numbers increases. To the left, number decreases. Every integer is simply a position in this infinite line. Type of integers. Positive integers are 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Negative integers are -1, -2, -3, -4, and so on. 0 is special. It is neither positive nor negative. It is the boundary between both worlds. Why negative numbers exist? Originally, humans counted objects: 1 apple, 2 apples, 5 stones. But what if you owe money? What if temperature goes below zero? What if you go below sea level? To describe loss, direction, and depth, mathematics invented negative numbers. Absolute value means distance from zero, not direction, just distance. The absolute value of -5 equals 5 because distance is never negative. Addition rule: when signs are the same, and add and keep the sign. When signs are different, subtract and keep the sign of bigger absolute value. Think of addition as movement along the number line. Subtraction is adding the opposites. 5 minus 3 is the same as 5 plus -3. This simplifies everything. Positive times positive is positive, negative times negative is positive. Positive times negative is negative. Why? Because multiplying by negative flips direction. Flipping twice returns you to positive. Division follows the same sign rule as multiplication. Properties: integers are closed under addition, subtraction, and multiplication. Addition and multiplication are commutative, and subtraction and division are tool. 0 is additive identity, 1 is multiplicative identity. Numbers increases to the right, decrease to the left. Among negatives, the one with larger absolute value is actually smaller. -10 is less than -2. Real world application: bank balances, temperature, elevation, profit and loss, physics, vectors, computer science indexing. Integers are everywhere. Integers introduce direction, symmetry, opposites, balance. Positive and negative are not enemies, they are reflections. 0 is the center of stability, and this is the foundation of higher mathematics.